All right, I finally made it. I've been trying to come here for years now, and I go by and I noticed that the line was not so long. Usually it's packed here every time I go by here. So um, there you go. Anyway, I am at. Let me think about this one thing. Los Angeles Live Steamers Railroad Museum, and they have they have one. In the back?
Yeah, but you won't be able to use this though.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what I came here for. What do you mean? So no cameras?
You can't use them. If that hits somebody, then you get hurt.
I mean, I can shorten it. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I mean, I'm pretty good. I've been doing a lot of.
Your hand?
Yeah, but it doesn't. It's 360 camera. It doesn't work like that. Otherwise, I will not get the footage. I can.
Yeah. Well, tell you once you get them,
Yeah. I'm aware because I've done the double down so many times and all that. So
you have your ticket.
yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay.
I have to keep this. Okay, all the way to the back.
Yeah.
Cool.
That way you're gonna hold.
Yeah, because I can adjust it on, and I'll be aware. Thank you. All right. All right. So anyway, I have to shorten my.
Thank you. Now that we've established that, you may film as much as you want, but you can't use the selfie stick.
Yeah. I'm aware. Thank you. That's why I'm shortening it.
And when you film, you have to keep your direct shoulder, blow your head, face your arms in, sticking out, face on the ground. Into a tree or pole. So if you drop anything, whatever it is, your wallet, your kid, phone, raise your hand. I'll be sitting back there, I'll stop straight. I will get whatever you drop and give you.
Now that you mention it.
$100 bill or a Rolex, I'll probably keep that. Are y'all bored? Are y'all bored? Y'all bored?
Aboard. Yeah, so as I was saying, I had to shorten my selfie stick. It's good. It's gonna work, but they have very strict rules here. But check out this mini train right there. See, that's how small it is. See, I guess there's a driver here in the back too. Look at the tracks, tiny tracks, and look at that. Woohoo!
All right, down with your selfie stick.
All right, here we go. Let's go. So always have two drivers, one in the back and the front.
You can't drive a locomotive. You can run it, you can operate.
I drive by.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry.
No, I'm not the tillerman for a fire truck. No. He has control of the engine, but the train, the people on it are mine.
Okay.
Water, bringing you forward. So no.
And you also back up, right? Like
that?
you back up whatever engineer. You can drive it from there just in case or whatever.
Here? No.
No. Okay.
No. If he dies of a heart attack, just jump off.
All right, here we go. Tunnel. Woo! Tunnel. Woo! Oh, I love the smell of diesel early in the morning.
It's better than napalm.
Well, I'm an old skydiver, and in skydiving, they always have a saying, I love the smell of kerosene in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's avgas is kerosene, right?
Yeah.
And you smell that like our first load, like sunrise load of the day,
Uh-huh.
and all the turbine engines are doing, and we can smell it.
Yes.
Woohoo! Look at that. What do you call that? Traffic light? I don't know if it's called
Signal.
traffic. Signal.
Signal.
Signal. Signal light. I should know that by now because I really, travel town all the time. So.
Yeah, we have a green signal ahead.
Cool. All right.
But if you watch, as soon as we pass it, it'll turn red.
Oh, well.
As the locomotive goes under this signal bridge,
Okay.
it should turn red, right?
So this is 360, so I should know. So this is pretty cool. I can edit it the way I want. Look at that. Signal. Woo! Right, so let's have a low angle here. Bring it up because I got a light. Get a low angle here. See all the wheels, hopefully. Woohoo! There you go. Look at that turn. All right. The bridge. There you go. The bridge. Woo. How cool is that?
Redwoods.
This is redwood.
Yep.
This is the one that can grow like really big, like in the parks.
They probably won't because of where we are located,
Right.
but they will have a healthy life for 50 to 100 years here.
Yeah, I bet. All right, look at this nice bougainville right here. Woohoo! All right, another curve here, turning. And that is Travel Time Museum right there. Been there a lot, did a lot of videos there. How cool is this? Look at this. Woohoo! Mini town, mini western town. I've been trying to get on this ride for many years. I live right here.
Oh, wow.
But every time I go by here, you only open Sundays. So every time I rarely go through here Sundays. I go like sometimes I was on the way to Trader Joe's in Toluca Lake to do some groceries. And I went by, I said, oh, that's not bad. So I got off. The Disney barn isn't open, right? It's the third Sunday, I believe.
What's that?
A Disney barn,
Third Sunday.
third Sunday. And I heard that's why it gets crowded, right? Because people wants to see that.
Get here early, it's not too bad.
Oh, okay.
Get here by 10:30 and wait in line for the Disney barn.
Oh, okay. So come in before 11 when you open, yeah.
I'm going to ask you to get through the next tunnel
Uh-huh.
to keep your selfie stick down. Otherwise, they're going to see me not doing my job and telling you. And I will get in trouble.
Okay.
So after we get through the next tunnel, you're okay.
After the next tunnel?
After you
So is this good right here?
no, you keep going until we get through the next tunnel.
Right, but this is good right here, right? So just so you don't see you?
Still using it.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Anthony?
got this cute little train tracks right there. Cute train tracks.
There, get a good shot of going through the tunnel.
Yeah. Here comes another tunnel. There we go. Woohoo! Beep beep. There you go.
Thank you.
Uh huh. All right, look at that. Cool. And we're passing through Grand Canyon here. Can I put it out now? I can put it out now?
Well, no.
No.
Where everybody can see me. Back on the top now.
I see. Oh, this is so cool. Those steam engines, do you let people ride in those too?
No, they
No.
not riding it. If you become a member, you can learn how to operate it.
Operate it, yeah. So they're not that strong enough to carry a load, correct?
Only certified engineers can run the
Right.
club locomotive. The locomotive in front of you is a private locomotive.
Which one?
The one that gentleman built that. The guy who's operating the locomotive in front of you, he built that.
Oh, really? Okay. All right. Signal. Water tank. This is pretty cool. Main Street little town here.
Town of Davis.
A what?
Town's name is Davis.
Davis? Okay.
The Davis Mine.
Davis Mine. And that's based on the actual town that
No.
before now.
No, it's all fictitious. But it looks cool.
And this is like a mining thing, right?
Yes.
Cool. Oh, Sheriff, careful. Hide everything. Oh, another bridge. Woohoo! All right. This is so cool.
733 exiting Davis Mine. I guess the thing track to spot 2 or spot 1. Yes, Richard.
And we are, I guess, the end of the ride.
I don't know what's going on with the radio today, but there's a lot of garbled interference.
Oh,
that kid on the second.
Oh, one more round?
No.
Oh, we're just
one more loop. And then
one more loop? Yeah.
All right, 5 gallons of water. Take a mile.
So anyway, I finally got this one out of my system. For years I've been trying to make this ride. Underneath the bridge. And of course it's Zoo Drive right there, the road to the right.
Roger that, but motion it forward in case it was not heard by the engine.
There you go. End of the ride.
Okay, don't raise your selfie stick at all.
A what?
Don't raise your selfie stick.
Yeah.
What's the deal? Welcome back.
Thanks for riding with us. Next to the front, we'd appreciate it.
All right. Woo! I'm a happy camper now. Thanks.
Good day.
You too.
Thanks for coming.
Sure. I'll come back again. That was too good. Are there any like displays or that they can go around, look around?
Yeah. Oh no, we can't. Club members only on the inside.
Oh, I see. So only rides.
Yeah.
Okay. Except what, third Sunday,
Third
the Disney?
Sunday, come in from the other end. Yeah.
Oh, the other. You can park in the other end?
Yeah, and come in.
The
that
big
way.
one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll try that. And everything's open?
Well, halfway open. Yeah. That
Just the Disney,
Disney
and the
park,
train ride still.
Yeah.
Okay, so next Sunday maybe. Thank you.
All right. How did it go?
Oh, good.
Still got it.
I mean, I would prefer to have extended, but it's okay now.
You got enough?
Yeah,
You want to do it again?
maybe next Sunday
Okay.
when the.
You guys ready?
All right. This is the exit.
Oh,
I can stay in here. Thank you. All right. So now I've extended my selfie stick, my invisible selfie stick. Oh, look at this. While I'm here, all these scale models. And yeah, so as the gentleman was saying, there are really no displays here, but except for the third Sunday, which is 2 Sundays from now, it's gonna be it's gonna be. Oh, but just check this building out. This is a pretty cool building. There you go. Let me see this building. Check that building out,
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not so sure. Come on, buddy. Let's go.
right? Yeah. So as the gentleman was saying, let me take a shade here for the camera. Um, yeah, today is only what, the first? Is it the first Sunday? Yeah, first Sunday, right? So 2 Sundays from now, every third Sunday of the month, they open up the Disney barn, historic Disney barn. All the it used to be his workshop, I believe. I don't know. I'm gonna read up all about it. It's gonna be open on third Sundays, so I might come back, and he will also make half of the, I guess, exhibits open to the public, along with the Disney barn. So hopefully I'll make it here in 2 Sundays from now. Is it 2 Sundays? Today's Sunday. Yeah, third Sunday today. Yeah, it's only first Sunday today, the 5th. And yeah, so I'm a happy camper now. After all these years, I'm trying to ride it, but it's that went so fast, too fast. I have to go again. But anyway, so this is the there, the Los Angeles Live Steamers Railroad Museum, and there you go. And they're all, it says 11 to 3. Yep, they're open 11 to 3, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. only on Sundays, which is today, Sunday, the 5th of December. And I guess that's their logo right there. Take a closer look at it. And yeah, so all right, so I'm gonna end this video right now so I can go on with my errands. So anyway, I don't know if I explained it earlier. So I drove by here to again go shopping. I go shopping in Burbank, and I saw that this time around it was a short line, or barely a line. So I got off, and see, you never know, you know, an unexpected thing happens, right? So this was my chance to check it out. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video right now, and I'll see you later.